Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month, the phrase we're teaching is 我也要. That means I want to too. I want to be part of something too. I want something too. 我也要.
爱没爱？
爱没爱？最近那个机捷开了嘛？
通车
了，对。然后呢，好像很多人听到朋友就有上去试乘过，或者正式开始做了哦，就说我也要。
对。
The new airport MRT just started, and let's put you in a scenario where you want to try this out next time. You know, 大家听了真的下次还是会想要试试看嘛？出国的时候。
出国的时候可以做。
Exactly. 机场捷运通车了耶 ！The airport MRT has opened up already.
機場捷運，
機場捷運，
同茶寮，機場捷運同茶寮。
哎呦，機場捷運同茶寮 ，OK， 同茶寮了，就是通車了嘛。That means it started, it's in operation. 哎，不过捷運呢，在客语这算是，因为捷運这个字是比较新兴人类21世纪的字嘛，哈，这怎么说？
捷
運 ，OK， that's the MRT, the subway, the metro. 其实每个国家都有不一样的说法啦哦。然后機場就是
機場
that is the airport. So the airport subway or airport MRT has begun. 对啊，以后出国就更方便了。That's right. It's going to be so much more convenient to go to the airport now.
係啊，
下禮拜
出國
出國卡
呢篇呢？係啊，下禮拜出國卡呢篇呢？
呢篇呢就是便利了哈，
就是方便，
对，方便了。That means convenient. 呢篇呢，but 出國 we taught this many times means 出國。
对
，OK, that means going abroad. It's going to be so much more convenient. 然後嘿啊就只是對啊這樣子。
下禮拜就是下一次咯。
哦，對，下一次下禮拜 that means next time it's going to be so convenient to go abroad. All right, next time I want to try this. 下次我也要試試看。下禮拜
愛沒愛吃烤呢？
下次我真的要試試看了。
Okay.
Let's review some of these phrases, okay? Such as the airport, 機場，然後捷運 the MRT, 捷運 and then 方便了 convenient, 呢篇 It's all about teaching you the phrase I want to too. 我也要。
愛沒愛。
All right, next time you go abroad, it's going to be so convenient. 真的以後出國好方便了。That is today's practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
漢字4張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.